Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cut and sew two wrappers for blouse. You can use the same material to sew blouse on your two wrapper, or you can use lace to sew blouse for the two wrappers. I'm only going to use one, but for the sake of this video I'm going to sew the smaller one just to show you how the small wrapper is. And I have China poplin, the one you sew on top wrapper. So for example, if you are sewing just two wrapper, maybe you want to sew two wrapper for lace blouse. 2 yards is too small for me. I use big wrapper. So if you are using 4 yards, you have to cut on the side of the small one so that you can use it depending on how you are. But for me, I can't use even 2 yards and 10 inches on wrapper because I like big wrapper. I want when I'm walking, it will cover my lap. I'm trying to arrange the wrapper so this bunch of hair will stay here and it will stay on my back. That is what I'm trying to do. So you can see the extra inside. I'm going to cut some part from here out. So I want when I tie the wrapper, it will come this way. But I just want this place to be on the front like this. What I'm going to do now is to cut from here. I'm going to cut from here. After cutting, I will tell you the yards I use. I'm going to use 2 yards plus. So when I'm done cutting, I will show you the yards I use. So I just want this one here. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to cut this place now. So I'm going to tie it like this, and this one will come this way. So I have extra here. You can see the way it is. It's here, and I still have on the back. So like that. I'm going to measure from here, from this place. This is the one I'm going to tie here. So I'm going to start the measurement from here. I use inches. I don't use meters. I use inches. So this 1 yard. This 1 yard. This 2 yards. I'm going to measure 18 inches. So this is how I like my wrapper. So you can cut 6 inches to the big one. Since you are using it as two wrapper, you can cut 2 yards and 6 inches. You can cut 2 yards and 10 inches, 2 yards and 12 inches, 2 yards and 15 inches. But for me, I use 2 yards and 18 inches because I want the wrapper big. So I measure 2 yards and 18 inches plus sewing allowance. So this is the one I'm going to trim out. I'm going to use this one for the blouse. Just bring this way. Make sure you arrange it well. Make sure it's equal. Let me show you. So you can see the length of the one I'm going to cut out and the one I'm going to tie. It's the same length. So make sure when you are going to cut wrapper, make sure it's on the same length with the one you are going to tie or the one you are going to cut out. Like this. Arrange it before you cut. Then you bring this way and cut gently. This one is out. And this is the one I'm going to tie. So how I want it. You can see the one on the back there. It's just there. Then this one will go inside. And why this one will come this way. 2 yards and 3 inches is okay. I'm going to cut and sew on the top from the small one. I'm going to cut just 2 yards. This is 1 yard. Or let me add for sewing allowance. This 2 yards. Let me add 2 inches to sew on the two sides. So for this small one, so let me tie it to see the way it is. This one is 2 years and 2 inches. You can see how small it is. I'm going to cut from the top of the smaller one to add to the big one I just cut. So I'm going to cut 12 inches. This 12 inches. I'm going to sew this China poplin on top here, like this. I'm going to sew this way. I will bring like this, and I will stitch on top here. I will sew here all the way to the 2 years and 2 inches. Let me go and finish the first sewing. I will show you, and I will show you how I'm going to top stitch. This is how I place on my machine and sew. You can see the way it is all through the 2 years and 2 inches. I place the China poplin on top the wrapper and fold the wrapper 1/2 inch on top the China poplin and sew. So what I'm going to do now is to place on my machine like this and gently stitch on top. I'm going to do the same on this. So I'm going to sew the big one just the same way I sew the smaller one, by placing this on top the big one. I will place on top the big one like this, and sew all through the 2 years and 18 inches. After finish doing that, I will hem with 1/2 inch on the edge on the 2 sides. This is how it looks like, the one inside. This is how you sew your 2 wrapper. This is the small one, the one on the down part when you tie, and I'm done sewing the big one as well. You can see this is the one I add to it top here. So this is how it looks like. This is how you sew your wrapper. You can see the line here. This is where I sew. I add this one on top and I sew here. Let me tie it to see. Let me use this tape to tie. Then you look for rope. Maybe the tailor that sew it for you will sew rope for you to tie. You tie well. And bring this one down like this. Make sure you tie very well. So this is how it is. And you tie the big one on top. This is the big one. You now tie it on top. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Please share this video. Please share this video. Thank you, and I will see you next time.